Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best quiche. First, let's talk about the foundation, the crust. A truly great quiche starts with a flaky, buttery pie crust. To ensure it stays crisp, blind bake your crust for about 15 minutes before adding the filling. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent shrinkage and keeps your quiche looking perfect. Next, we focus on the heart of the quiche, the creamy custard. For an incredibly rich and silky texture, combine whole milk with heavy cream. The ideal ratio is 3 large eggs for every 1½ cups of liquid. Don't forget to season your custard generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg to enhance all the flavors. Now, let's talk about the delicious fillings and the baking process. Select high-quality ingredients, such as savory Gruyere cheese and fresh, vibrant vegetables, for the best flavor. Arrange your chosen fillings evenly within the blind-baked crust before gently pouring in the prepared custard. Bake your quiche at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 55 minutes until it's golden brown. Finally, the last crucial step for the best quiche is proper cooling and serving. After removing your beautiful quiche from the oven, let it rest for at least 15 minutes before you even think about slicing it. This essential cooling time allows the creamy custard to set completely, ensuring clean, perfect slices every time. Enjoy your homemade quiche warm or at a pleasant room temperature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.